So as you can see here, it's our helmet that I presented before for this one Brain-Computer interface. So it's open source for users of Ironbci device. Originally it was implemented in Blender software, as you can see here. So let me explain how it was done. Brain-Computer interface located in these parts. So you open this head, put inside Brain-Computer interface, and after that already here located dry electrodes and the connection implemented already inside. So here it's located inside Brain-Computer interface. And let me remove it. So here it's places for cables and for opportunity put inside dry electrodes, and it's looked like that. So these parts, as you can see here and here, it's to adjust the flexible design of a headset, especially for dimension of your head. For these reasons, more or less universal model. So, and of course you have all opportunity over here, adjust or in change something up to you what you would like improve or add some additional functionality. As I said, it's open source for Ironbci users. So, and yes, of course, I provide sources for headset, but anyway, we need some additional parts to make variable a Brain-Computer interface. Of course, we need some dry electrodes or better, not in this case, it's dry electrodes, yeah, of course. So dry electrodes, cables to connect Brain-Computer interface, and dry electrodes. As you can see, I have used these types and some cables and this one materials. Yes, as you remember, I mentioned that we need to have opportunity to adjust the size of a headset, especially for your head, so it can be done with the next parts, but anyway, it's necessary have this one materials. So the next one, what we need, it's heat types. Since it's not easy find the optimal length for cables that can establish connection between electrodes and Brain-Computer interface. So for this reason, it's something that's necessary to do manually. I use this one cutter, as you can see here, both standard length for cables, cut it and connecting, cut it, make it shorter, and connect it manually. Probably here you can see it's much more clear, yes. And use this one material to protect it. Just only then you can use some heater to fix it. So as I said, I used dry electrodes, silver chloride, these types of cables to establish connection between electrodes and Brain-Computer interface. This one cables, as mentioned before, as you can see, it's not so expensive and different types of colors. And it's many different types, so it's up to you which ones can be used in this case. About which types of bulbs can be used over here, my recommendation just only bought and use this kit this kit is especially to adjust and make all connections necessary use M2 and M2.5, but over here for this also not so expensive price, you can find all of them both, so you will not have any problems in this case. So Brain-Computer interface Ironbci located inside this one parts. This holds its this one, this one, this one, and this one. It's created to establish connection between a brain-computer interface and headset. So you need to take BCI device and put inside over here this hole and one hole over here. It's to establish to have opportunity to turn on device and also have opportunity to connect micro USB cable to have opportunity in charge battery, lipo battery in this case, an Ironbci device. So and yes, about that's all. But over here it's became much more clearly. So it's the same as I showed before in Blender files, but probably here much more easy explained. So it was created from the few parts of your first parts. It's the main. It's this one headset, especially of course it's a little problematic when we use let's say flexible materials to print this design on 3D printer. We need to adjust and provide some flexible parts to have opportunity to print via 3D printer this one design, but something that can be done. As it's this one part's just only close since when was printed this one parts you need put inside electrodes, establish connection between electrodes and cables, and from this moment you can print this one parts and close this one, and this one is possible for this area. And after that, already put Ironbci brain-computer interface inside these parts, connect and close, and via the next cap, close these parts and put it over here. So it's physically how it looks in real life, let's say. It was printed. So this yellow is parts for brain-computer interface, need put inside brain-computer interface. Here put electrodes and connected electrodes via cables with brain-computer interface and close. So which types of material can be used? Of course, PLA or TPU, it also depends what you would like receive, since if it will be hard material, something like over here. So if it will be not especially for your head, I created this one for my head. So you will have some problem with good connection between electrodes and skin. It's quite sensitive in this case. So, but with flexible material, it's not so big problem. So you can adjust. This hard, as in this case, it's almost just only probably 4.2 millimeters you can do it, but it's not something optimal. So for this reason, you should choose if you are confident that this dimension of headset is specially located for your head, you can use some hard material, or if you would like have opportunity, like soft materials adjust, especially for your head. It can be used already, of course, soft material. So, and I also would like to say if you have any questions, you can connect with PiEEG Discord. You can find link over here. Official PiEEG website, contact PiEEG. Here we have the special branch for discussion about electrodes, caps, and headset. And finally, what I would like to say is why is headset is so important. It's really important because when we use headset, it means that data transfer wireless. And the most important actually is that we have very short distance between electrodes and brain-computer interface. As you can see here, just only a few centimeters, 90 millimeters. It depends, of course, which types of electrodes, but anyway, it's very short. For this reason, we can avoid any electromagnetic noise in this case. And also, if you use some soft materials for headset, you can very easily adjust and establish good connection between electrodes and skin. That's allow you to receive very clean data. As you can see in this image, it was alpha, power, power and alpha. Here and for testing this when my eyes was open and closed, and as we can see during time when eyes were closed after one pass filter in alpha range between 8 and 12 Hz, so we can clearly see that without any gel. Again, I would like to repeat with the electrodes, so very clearly visible algorithm. So for this reason, of course, should be very, we should really pay attention for short cables and good connection between, especially for this case, if you have any good headset, it can significantly increase your opportunity to make much more clear with high accuracy future extraction. So from my side, it's all, and thank you so much.